So we're looking at CAT 2020 DLR slot 1 first set. Now to crack the CAT DLR section, you have to be very systematic. So and you can solve all these sets in a given time frame, provided your approach is right and you can think about systematically. So I've scored 100 percentile in DLR section itself 6 times in the CAT. So fairly comfortable with the whole section and how to crack the exam. So let's look at the approach. The first step is when you read, you need to keep all the important points in place. Because if you miss out an important point, there is a high chance that you may waste your time or go wrong. Like in this case, when you read, you start local office, performance of cab drivers, rating P1 to P5. Okay, they're given the P5 ratings. Now these all first parts are not important. Based on feedback to customers, the customer assigns 1 to 5 to each of the parameters. Fine. Each rating is an integer low value of 1 to high value of 5. So we'll start with this. So I've continued this in the next this one. So low value of 1 and a high value of 5. The final rating of a driver is the average of his rating in the 5 parameters. The monthly payment of drivers has 2 parts, fixed and bonus, but that is given in the table itself, so I don't have to worry about it. If a driver gets a rating of 1 in any of the parameters, he is not eligible for get bonus. And to be eligible to get bonus, he needs a rating of 5 in at least one. So we know that he needs a rating of 5 and you should not get a 1 to get a bonus. So he has not to get a 5, not to get a get a 5 and not to get a 1 to get a bonus. This is what a bonus is. If you want, you can write it down whatever is important or relevant you feel for the sum. Okay, and final rating is nothing but the average rating, that is the average. Now coming to it, Arun and Barun has got a rating of 5 in exactly one of the parameters and Chandan has got a rating of 5 in exactly 2 parameters. If you want, you can write this separately, but since there are only 2 points, you need not write it. Normally when there are a lot of data, I normally write it down because I don't have to go back searching for it. In this case, I know where the rating is. But if you feel there is a problem in going back, then just write A and B got 1 5 and C has got 2 5. Okay, none of the drivers has got rating in 3 parameters. So 3 parameters, no one has got the same rating. Just to indicate what all is important. Now let's go with the points. Damaran does not get a bonus. So when do you not get a bonus? Look at these two cases. You don't get a bonus if you have not got a 5 or you've got a 1. So what's the maximum possible value of his final rating? Let's try to look at Damaran. So what's the possible, if he's not got a 5, so what's the maximum he can get? 4, 4, 3, 3 and 2. And if he's got a 1, what's the maximum he can get? 5, 5, right? He has to get a 1 definitely. And he has to also get a 3 because there's 3 in his list. 3 and 4 maximum he can get. So look at each case. So first case, if you look at add it up, it becomes 16. So average becomes 3.2, 16 upon 5. Second, if you add it up, 18, the average becomes 3.6. So 3.6 will be the answer, second option. Because the highest value will be 3.6. If Iman gets a bonus, what's the minimum possible value of his rating? So when you get a bonus, if you have got a 5 and you should not have a 1, both, right? So minimum value, he has to have a 5. Okay, he's already got a 2 out here. So minimum value can be 2, 3, 3 because you can get maximum in 2 cases same parameter. So if we add it up, 15 with an average of 3. Third option. So you have to have a 5 and you cannot have a 1. So if 5 is definitely there and 1 is not there. So minimum in the remaining part is 2, 2, 3, 3, which is 3 as average. If all 5 drivers get a bonus, so you get a bonus means there's no 1 and you definitely have 1 5 for sure. Minimum possible value of the monthly payment that a driver gets. Okay, either you try to look at, in general case, if I look at what is the minimum possible rating that you can get? 2, 2, and definitely you're getting a bonus. 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5. That's the minimum. Which if you look at is 15. Because you cannot have a 1 and you should have a 5. Right? In some cases where there is a 4, for example, Arun, Okay, he has to have a 4, so it can go to 16 for Arun. But otherwise, for everyone, it is 15, so it is 3. For Arun, it could be 3.2. But anyway, let's look at the points. Now, let me substitute 3 and check out where you can get a minimum payment which is there. So if I look at put it up, so 3, this becomes 600. 3 into 200, 600 plus 1100 becomes 1700, right? If you look at next, 3 into 150 is 450. 450 into 1300 becomes 1750, right? So next, 300 plus 1400 becomes again 1700. 3 to the 600 plus 1200 becomes 1800. Here it becomes 3.2 because there is a 4 out here. So if I put 3.2 into 250, should give you 800. So total gives you 1800. So automatically minimum is 1700. That's the answer. So you could find a rating and then you're really good at calculation to do it fast. Okay, or take some hints and then try to figure out 1700. That also is possible. If the 5 drivers get bonus, what the maximum possible value they can get? So maximum possible what the rating you can get? 5, 5, 4, 4 and 3, which is 21, which is 4.2. Except where is 2, there will be 4 rating. Where is 2, if they have 2, for example, Chandan and Iman, their total will be 20 because they'll have a 2 instead of 3. So in that case, the total will be 2, which is 4 rating. Okay. So we consider that. So Chandan and Iman both are 4 rating. Okay, and rest will be 4.2. Now calculate for the maximum. 4 into 200, 800, 800 plus 1100 becomes 1900. 4 into 100, 400, not 1800. No, you can rule that out. Rest is almost 4.2 if you look at it. So, but yes, one more thing they mentioned. I forgot to. You always remember to take consideration. Arun and Barun has got rating in exactly one of the parameters. Definitely, if I talk of Arun and Barun, for example, how much would they have? They have only 1, 5. So 1, 5, 4, 4, 3 and 3. That's what they can get. Okay. Arun and Barun have only 1, 5. So their total will become 19, which is 3.8. So for Arun and Barun, 3.8 you can say. So even if one goes wrong, you can go wrong, but be careful about it. Yeah. So I can rule out this is just 1800. So let's look at the others. 3.8 into 2 will give you 760. 760 plus 1200 will give you 1960. I can be good at calculation. 3.8 into 2, 70.6. So 760 plus 1200. 3.8 into 250 will give you something around 950. It will be around 1950. Yeah. So how did I do into 250? I divided by 4. When you multiply by 25 means you divide by 4. Comes around 9.5. So 950 plus 1000. And last 4.2 into 150. 630. So 1930. So maximum is 1960. So that will be the answer. So this is a combination of where you try to put in the data properly and also a little bit of calculation involved. So both the things if you're good at, this sum set can be solved easily. You can solve it really fast because there's not much of table drawing or something that you do. You have to just understand the sum and try to figure out how to get the answer in the right place. The moment you get that, getting the answer should not be difficult. Right? I hope this is clear. Thank you.